Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel Fashion and Beauty Tips. Today we will share with you at home remedy of how to cure cough and cold. Number one remedy is honey tea. Honey provides the most significant relief pain from coughing. To use honey to treat a cough. Mix 2 teaspoons with warm water on a herbal tea. Drink its mixture once or twice a day. Number 2, ginger tea. Ginger may excuse a dry from asthmatic cough as it has anti-inflammatory properties. It may also relieve nausea and pain. Brew up a soothing ginger tea by adding to 20 to 40 gram of fresh ginger slices to a cup of hot water. Allow to sleep from a few minutes before drinking. Thanks for watching and subscribe for our channel.